Hello friends, welcome back again to our channel, the Chima channel. Here I want to show you how to claim the ongoing Saga Airdrop. 500 of them, that's what the claim is. Immediately, if you refer others, you can earn more. Saga Airdrop will soon be listed on Binance. If you go to Binance now, I checked that one, that is true. Go to Binance and see some of the upcoming listings. Saga is already there. A lot of people are spending money on the pre-sale, but the airdrop is still going on, so it will stop very soon because in the next 3 days, the distribution will start. So I'm encouraging you not to miss this. So once you get the link, I'm going to drop in the video description or wherever. Click on that link and you're going to find yourself here. Now, when you are here, either you are buying the pre-sale, like you can see here right now. That is buy token, that is a pre-sale. Or you want to claim airdrop. So let's click on claim airdrop. Now, okay, this is for pre-sale now. So you are claiming airdrop, you come here. You click on claim 500 Saga. That's what you do. Claim 500 Saga Airdrop. Saga Airdrop, enter your Ethereum address here. Whether you can copy it either from your Binance or your Trust Wallet. Anyone can work. So copy from either Binance or from your Trust Wallet. I want to copy. Let me copy from anywhere. Then I'm going to log in and you see how I claim this. If you refer, you have 200 Saga per referral. Referral count is unlimited. So let me go to my Binance or Trust Wallet and copy my Ethereum address to paste here, right? So because it's Ethereum hosted under the Ethereum network. Okay, I've just copied my Ethereum address, wallet address. I'm going to paste it here right now. I click here and click on paste. Now I'm going to log in. I log in like this. Just watch what happens. It's coming up. Okay, let's drag it down again. Now that I have this, look up. I have this now. You can see my balance. I have 500 balance. My reward is 500. No invited person yet, so I'm going to do that. Having done that, look at my invitation link. I'm going to click to copy it now. That's what you're going to see. You join with this, do the exact thing I did, and you claim 500 Saga Airdrop. Like I said before now, go on Binance or go online and type about Saga Airdrop. It's already on Binance. I have gone through it and saw it, so it's a coin that will be listed very soon. Don't joke with this. It's a time to claim free. People are already spending money on pre-sale, but you can still have the free airdrop, and it's making sense. I'm going to stop at this moment. If you are new to the channel, do it, subscribe, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. God bless you.